Last week, I started noticing that ChatGPT felt different. The responses were more on point, faster, and just generally better. I wasn't the only one, either. People all over social media were buzzing about how ChatGPT seemed to have been upgraded. But here's the thing, OpenAI didn't say a word about it at first. OpenAI took to X, formerly known as Twitter, to casually mention that they had slipped in a new version of their GPT 4.0 model into ChatGPT. Yes, they updated the model we've all been using without making a big deal about it. The message was simple: there's a new GPT 4.0 model out in ChatGPT since last week. Hope you all are enjoying it. Check it out if you haven't already. We think you'll like it. And that was it, no fancy press release, no grand unveiling, just a tweet. Typical OpenAI, right? They let the technology speak for itself, and it seems like this latest update is doing just that. So, if you've noticed the change, now you know why. Right now, if you're wondering what's so special about this new model, let's break it down. The updated version of GPT 4.0, which they're calling ChatGPT 4.0 latest, is essentially a fine-tuned and optimized version of what we had before. But here's where it gets interesting. While OpenAI hasn't spilled all the beans, there's a lot of speculation about what this new model actually is. Some people out there are thinking this might be part of a bigger strategy by OpenAI to release different-sized models, similar to what Google and Anthropic are doing. There's been talk about a GPT 4.0, and something this latest update could be a stepping stone in that direction. However, I'm not totally sold on that idea because, let's be real, if it were a brand new model, they probably would have hyped it up a lot more. So, what can this new model do? Well, from what I've seen and what others have reported, it's performing better on tasks that require complex reasoning and creativity. For instance, if you've been asking ChatGPT to help with coding or solve tricky problems, you might have noticed it's just a little bit sharper now. It's also faster, which is a nice bonus. But of course, it's not perfect. There are still some weird quirks. For example, in one test, the model was asked to stack a book, 9 eggs, a laptop, a bottle, and a nail in a stable manner. The solution it suggested involved putting 9 eggs on top of a bottle. I mean, come on, who does that? And then when it was asked how many R's are in the word strawberry, it came back with 2, which is definitely wrong. So, there are still some bugs to work out, but overall, the update is a step in the right direction. Now, speaking of strawberries, let's talk about something that's been generating a lot of buzz: Project Strawberry. The idea behind Project Strawberry is that it could be a new post-training method designed to enhance the model's reasoning skills. Some speculate that the improvements we are seeing in ChatGPT might be the first signs of this mysterious initiative in action. One of the coolest things about the new ChatGPT 4.0 latest model is how it handles multi-step reasoning. This means the AI isn't just jumping to conclusions, it's thinking things through step by step before giving you an answer. That's a pretty big deal because it leads to more accurate and thoughtful responses, something we all appreciate, right? If you are looking for a website where you can get all the latest news plus the latest AI tools, you can explore our website called simplifyai.in. Here, you can find things like AI-related magazines, a dedicated section only for trending AI tools, courses, and webinars. I've just launched a comprehensive course on my website that explores how to leverage AI tools for everyday tasks. Whether you are looking to enhance your Excel skills, create stunning PowerPoint presentations, or discover innovative AI tools for various applications, dive in now to transform your workflow and boost your productivity with cutting-edge AI solutions. I will provide the link in the description for your convenience. The new model has already made waves in the AI community, especially on something called the LMSYS leaderboard. If you're not familiar with it, the LMSYS leaderboard is like the Olympics for AI models. It pits different models against each other in a variety of tasks, and the new ChatGPT 4.0 latest model just crushed it, scoring a whopping 1,314 points, the highest score ever recorded on that leaderboard. This means it's outperforming some of the biggest names in the game, like Google, Anthropic, and Meta. Now, If you're wondering how to get your hands on this new model, it's super easy. OpenAI has already swapped out the old GPT 4.0 with the new version in both the ChatGPT website and app. All you have to do is fire up ChatGPT, and you're good to go. If you are on the free plan, you might encounter some message limits, but for those on the Plus plan, you can push the model to its limits and really see what it can do. But don't worry if you're not ready to shell out $20 a month for the Plus plan, you can still get a good feel for the new model before you hit those limits. And if you do run out of messages, you can switch over to GPT 4.0 Mini. While it's not quite the same, it's still pretty powerful and should give you a solid experience. One more really interesting thing is how OpenAI has been testing these updates. They've been sneaking experimental models into places like the LMSYSS chatbot arena under random names, so people don't even realize they're testing new tech. For example, the ChatGPT 4.0 latest model was tested under the name Anonymous Chatbot, and it received over 11,000 votes from users. That's a lot of people unknowingly helping out with the testing, which just goes to show how clever OpenAI's approach is. So, what's next? Well, if this update is any indication, we can expect OpenAI to keep refining and improving ChatGPT. They're clearly focused on making it better at reasoning, creativity, and all those tasks that require a bit more brainpower. And who knows, maybe we'll see even more of Project Strawberry in the future. So, this is Simplify AI, and I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.